All right, guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool hotels and products. Today we're going to go ahead and do a review on the Signature at MGM Grand. We did stay here for a conference called 10X by Grant Cardone. So let's go ahead and get into it. So walking into the Deluxe Suite, the first thing I noticed was just how much bigger it felt compared to a normal room. It's around 550 square feet, so you actually have room to move around and not feel cramped the second you walk in. The bed area feels clean and comfortable, and the room overall has a nice setup if you're staying more than just one night. The blackout curtains are definitely a nice plus too, especially in Vegas when you end up sleeping in after being out late. The kitchenette setup was honestly better than I expected to. You get a microwave, mini fridge, toaster, blender, coffee maker, and even stovetop. So if you're trying to save money in Vegas or stay in a few days, it's actually convenient having the options to keep drinks, snacks, and simple meals in the room. One thing I liked about the suite is that it has a separate sitting area instead of just everything being crammed into one small space. You get a couch, entertainment area, and enough room where multiple people can hang out comfortably without sitting on the bed the whole time. The view is also pretty nice, especially at night with all the lights around the strip. Depending on what side your room faces, you can get a really solid look of the surrounding hotels and Vegas atmosphere. During the day, the room gets decent natural light too, which helps with the whole space to feel a little bit more open. The room also worked pretty well for filming content. There's enough space to set up a camera or tripod without bumping into everything, and having different sections of the room gives you more angles to work with. The lighting during the day near the window was pretty solid too. Another thing I liked was the room didn't feel old or super outdated. Some Vegas hotels look great online but feel rough in person, but this one still felt clean and modern overall. You also get the practical stuff like high-speed Wi-Fi, a safe, workspace areas, and enough outlets around the room for charging phones and other devices, which honestly helps with a lot of electronics. For longer stays, I would definitely see this being more comfortable than just getting a standard room because you actually have room to spread out and relax a little more. The bathroom definitely feels more upgraded than a standard hotel room. There's dual sinks, a large mirror with good lighting, a separate shower, and a whirlpool tub, which honestly feels really nice after walking the strip all day. There's even a TV in the bathroom, which is one of those extra Vegas touches you don't really expect. Overall, I think the suite gives you a good balance where it feels nicer and more spacious than a regular room without getting into super expensive luxury suite category. And then one thing worth mentioning too is that this is actually a hotel-only property connected to the MGM Grand. There's no casino inside the building itself. That honestly makes the atmosphere feel a little quieter and calmer compared to a lot of the Vegas hotels. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. So if you guys are looking to book a suite in Vegas, make sure you guys look into this one. Also, make sure that you guys look at my other videos where I review other suites on the strip. I'll leave those links down below as well.